Hello everyone, welcome to MarineMax Rogers. My name is Max Kavanaugh. I am here today to show you guys this beautiful 2024 Premier 230 Sunsation, and it's right behind me. Like we do on all of our walkthroughs, we're starting off on the exterior, and we'll start up at the bow here. You have nicely integrated docking lights with the navigation lights. You have pop-up stainless steel cleats. You can fold them down, so you're not going to stub your toe on that. The exterior color scheme is really sharp. You have the black top panel with the white pearl bottom panel with the satin silver rails. It's a nice color scheme. The satin silver rails match the electric bimini top, which is a silver as well. So it's a cool look to it. This is a tri-tune, 230 Sunsation. It's a tri-tune option with the PTX 28, which is a 28-inch middle tune. And it also has a 47-gallon fuel tank, so you're going to have plenty of fuel to stay out for a long time on the water with your friends and family. Coming to the back of the boat, to the stern here, you have a nice big ski tow bar to tow your tubers, your skiers, and your wakeboarders. This boat is powered by a Mercury 150 horsepower outboard engine, which is enough power, plenty of power, to tow your tubers and skiers, and even a wakeboarder if you so choose to. Coming to the starboard side, I want to point out one more thing too. It comes equipped with this ricochet ladder, which is really cool. So if you forget to, put your ladder up and your ladder's down, the pressure of the water will actually shoot this ladder right up into place, which is really cool. Hence the ricochet name. Yeah, cool feature on this Premier pontoon. Certainly don't see that on many other brands out there, but just really wanted to point that out. Let's go take a peek now at the interior of this 230 Sunsation. All right, guys, we're up inside of the Premier 230 Sunsation, a beautiful boat, great layout. This particular 230 Sunsation has the RF layout, which is a nice center walkthrough from the bow all the way to the stern. Now, looking at the interior color, you have the sandstone interior color with the Arctic white accents, which is a really cool color scheme. It's a good look. I think you're really going to love it. And then the flooring itself is the color for that, what they call it, is driftwood. So it's a cool colorway, good combination, matches well with the exterior, and certainly an eye turner, that's for sure. In the back here though, towards the stern, you have cup holders on each side, 4 on each side, so 8 in total back here. You have storage underneath all of these seats. They lift up really easily with these beautiful hinges that they're using. Close it up. So each side is the same with that. You'll see that you'll have the RGB lighting down by your feet. In the speakers, you can change that RGB lighting too to really anything that you want. Red, green, yellow. There's a cool dial on the helmet I'll go over in just a second. But as we work our way up to the helm, you have dual captain's chairs. So one on the passenger side and obviously one for your captain. Flip up, flip down armrests. You can recline the backrests as well. So it's got a nice backrest that you can recline. Pretty simple too. Lift up on the switch. Make it into a position that you feel comfortable. At the helm here, beautiful helm setup. This is completely redesigned for 2024. It has a nice glove box that's magnetic, which I think is super slick. You have your traditional gauges here, your Clarion's head unit located right here, a nice big volume dial. This is a raised helm, which is really nice on this Premier 230 Sunsation. If there's somebody sitting in front of you, give you some more visibility over them. Again, this is the dial to change the RGB lighting. So it's really slick, works really well too. You have some physical toggle switches here to control the bimini top up and down because it is electric. You have your throttle off to your right in a great position with your trim switch. Then you have some SeaDek on the raised helm just to finish off the look and give it a really premium look. Now, moving up to really, there's a few more parts of the raised helm I want to go over. One is this nice storage compartment in here, but also a trash and paper towel holder. So right here, easy access. When you have a lot of people on the boat, I know it can get messy, and that's just a great dedicated spot for the trash can and paper towels just to clean up messes if you need to. Now in the floor, because it's a PTX 28-inch middle tune, you have a lot of storage in the middle tune here. So wakeboards, you can put a tube in there, life jackets, beach bags. I mean, it is immense, the amount of space that's actually down there. Closes up like so. Here's a cool thing too that we optioned this 230 Sunsation out with. It's got a little glove box, kind of like, that's right here, easy access to store a few things. And then it also has additional 2 garbage cans here to throw out your trash, recycling and trash, maybe if you want to use it that way. But a really cool feature that I think is very useful. So instead of maybe a changing station here, like you might see in some older models, we optioned it with the 2 garbage cans here, which is really nice. Close back up. Moving up to the bow, great space in this 230. Again, 4 cup holders on each side, 8 total in the bow. You'll have RGB lighting on the floor, in the speakers that can be changed, just like in the rear of the boat. And just feels like a very premium boat. Storage underneath each seat that you'll see, all composite furniture, so no wood is actually used in the furniture, which is great for the long term because things will not rot out, which is great. All right, guys, so that was the 2024 Premier 230 Sunsation that I just went through. It is a spectacular boat with some great options that you and your family will enjoy. It's located here at our MarineMax Rogers location. If you or anyone you know has any questions, feel free to come stop by or give us a call. We'd be glad to help you out and show you this boat or any other Premier model that we have in stock. Thank you.